All right, let's continue talking about dilation. As I talked about in the previous video, I said how to using the equation to tell how you dilate. So say, for example, this question we have x over 2, meaning you dilate horizontally by a factor of 2. You see x over 2 here. And then when you see y over 3 means you dilate vertically by a factor of 3. So in that case, we have a circle with center is 0 and the radius 2. So then we can dilate horizontally by 2 and vertically by 3. So become this. Okay, I'll show you. So become, it's going to be still an ellipse, but you can see horizontally not that much, but vertically is more. So it's become, oh, it looks like an egg. Okay, anyway, it's not that perfect, but it's, you can see the dilate differently vertically and horizontally. So that's the first thing I'll talk about. And then we have looked some sine curve. It's also can be dilated. So let's see if I using different color, okay, like using the yellow. You can see that it's sine 2x. It's not x over 2, it's x times 2. What does that mean? It means you can change to y equals to sine x over half. It's the same, right? X over half. So what does that mean? It means you actually dilated by horizontally by a factor of half. So it's not expanding out, it's actually shrink by a factor of 2. So then I show you how does this curve look like. So the whole period was 2 pi, now it become pi. So it's become like this. Right? And then if you want to continue, because it's the same, so become this. So that's what we mean dilated. So dilated not really means you have to fully expanding out, can also be pushed in, squeezed in. So if you see a number times a number means you can divide by 1 over that number, which is in here is x divided by half. So it's shrink by a factor of 2. Right. Okay, same for the next questions. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. So we have y equal to 2 sine x. It's not y over something, but we can change it into y over 2 equals to sine x. So what does that mean? You can see y over 2 means you vertically dilate by a factor of 2. So then the whole curve become like this. So you can move the number around. Make sure the number is either under the y or under the x. Then that's the number you tell how you dilate. So let's have a look at the next question. It's using different color. Let's see. Boom. So we have y equal to 2 sine x over 2. So what does that mean? It means it's y over 2 equals to sine x over 2. So now this time both are under. So vertically dilated by a factor of 2 and horizontally by a factor of 2 as well. Both are factor of 2 and both are expanding out. So let's see how does this curve look like. I'm going to just make a few dots, easy for me to sketch. So it's been pulled out horizontally and also pulled up and down by a factor of 2. So both vertical and horizontally by a factor of 2.